everyone. So we're gonna just do some curls with a straightener, okay? I put oil on mine to protect it, so it's already prepped. If you haven't put anything in yours, do so before ever using a hot tool. It's my recommendation. If not, it's years of repairing your hair. So I'm gonna clip it up into sections. I'm using Sexy Hair Straightener. It's a great straightener. I really like it. So I'm gonna take and do just a half and pull it. So the more you hold it, the more it will crease and the curl will be way curly going. So let me do that again. So you can always redo it. So one turn really, honestly. And you can see where I held it. That's why it was so curly at the top, because where you hold it the longest, it will crease it, of course, and give you the curl. There we go. So it will look like that. Pull it, pull it. Don't really need to do that. I can let up on it a little so I can smooth it out like this, because I mean, it's already super hot, so I don't need to have a lot of pressure on it. I was like holding it like super tight, so I'm just gonna loosen it up and run it across. How about that? I'm feeling a little easier, smoother once we start the concept. I haven't curled my hair with a straightener in a while, and when I was in hair school, the hair straightener was honestly all I used to curl hair for everything. It was so fast. When I needed hair curled for updos and stuff, I had it already curled so quick. I can just pin it. Great stuff. So it really does work good when you get it down. And now I really know that my issue was that I was holding it. It was too tight, you know. I can just loosely run this across. Done it. And the steam you see coming off my hair is just from product, so don't get upset about that. It's not. Really, 2 more sections and we're good. I have a lot of hair. Okay, let's split it. Last section, hallelujah. We're 16 minutes in. Let's see if we can get this done before 20 minutes. That way we can say it's a 20-minute hairstyle. Okay, so 20 minutes and 48 seconds. Okay, voila. Let's pick this up. You can also separate them like this. Separate each curl. Get that beachy looky look if you want more volume. It's okay if there's some straight pieces, that's the point. You want to separate your curls. Especially curling straightener curls, gotta separate them because they are very curled. They'll stay like that. So just get that. Okay.